What makes a drum sound? Drum make noise when hit. Hit with stick, sound go out. Stick hit skin, skin shake. Skin shake move air fast. Air move fast make sound. Sound go to ears like way. Big hit, loud sound. Huffed hit, quiet sound. Drum thick, sound deep. Drum thin, sound high. Drum dry, sound scratchy. Drum wet, sound soft. Add water, sound change. Stick hit edge, sound sharp. Stick hit center, sound big. Drum hole, sound go out. No stick, no sound. Caveman try rock break. Caveman try tree fall. Caveman use hand small. Hand hit, sound weak. Best drum is skin on wall. Skin stretch, sound good. Science say air move fast. Air move when things vibrate. Vibrate when it hard. Drum not magic. Drum work because of air. Teamwork make best drum. Cavemen learn from old one. Old one show how to hit. Hit with rhythm. Sound strong. Sound make tribe happy. Lesson is to try, test, learn. Science is not magic. It is hit air and skin.